In this question asking, consider the following four relational schema. For each schema, all non-trivial FDs, functional dependencies are listed. The underlying attribute are the respective primary keys. Schema number one is registration, which having two attribute roll number and course. Here roll number is the primary key. Field course is a set valued attribute containing the set of courses student has registered for. And whatever the non-trivial FDs for a schema 1, one FD is given, roll number determine course. For a schema second, my dear, what is mentioned? Roll number, course ID, email. So here what is the key for this? Roll number and course ID. And what is the non-trivial FDs are given? Roll number, course ID to email and email to roll number, my dear. Email to roll number. Now here you can see primary key is mentioned. Primary key is mentioned. Now schema third is what? Course, roll number, course ID, marks and grade. What are the non-trivial FDs are given? Roll number, course ID say marks and grade, and marks say grade. Schema 4 having roll number, course ID and credit, and whatever non-trivial FDs are given, roll number, course ID to credit and course ID to credit. Now what is asking, which of the following relational schema above is in 3NF but not in BCNF? Option A schema 1, B schema 2, C schema 3 and D schema 4, my dear. So we will deal each and every, but it is asking कि 3NF में हो but not in BCNF. 3NF but not in BCNF. You know what is the condition for 3NF? कि either X is a super key or Y is a prime attribute. And what is the condition for BCNF? X not be. What is the condition for a BCNF? X must be super key. And what is the condition for not in BCNF? Not in BCNF, X not a super key. Clear? Now we will deal each and every schema. Here primary key is mentioned. These underline are the primary key, not a candidate key. So you know first of all what is the meaning of primary key? One of the candidate key means you can have more keys also. Okay. Now when I will deal about the schema first, my dear, you can see in a schema first, whatever non-trivial FDs are given, roll number to course, in a schema first, what happened? First of all, this is the table for registration. In which roll number and courses, roll number here underline, and you are getting a FD, only one FD is there, roll number to course, roll number determine course, my dear, roll number determine courses. So directly you can say it schema is in BCNF. Why? Because you can see here, because roll number is super key. Roll number is super key, my dear. So schema 1 is in BCNF. Schema 1 you can say it is in BCNF, my dear. Schema 1 is in BCNF. Now we will discuss about the schema second. Schema second, it is mentioned in schema second, roll number, course and email. So here FDs is given, roll number to course ID, email, and email to course number. So what are the keys for a schema second? We can use next page for this one, schema second, don't worry. Schema second, whatever input is given we will note down. Schema second, registration table, and whatever attribute, roll number, course ID and email. Roll number, course ID, email, and this is the key, it is mentioned. and whatever FDs, roll number, course ID to email, roll number, course ID to email. Second one is email to roll number. Email to roll number, my dear. So first of all, you can see primary key is mentioned. My dear, read this question carefully. Primary key is mentioned. So here you can see, due to this FD, what is the candidate keys are there? What is the candidate keys are there, my dear students? Here candidate keys are first already mentioned, roll number and course ID. Second, you can see roll number, email determine the roll number. So what we can say, next will be email and course ID, my dear. Email and course ID. Now I am giving this FD name first and second. So my dear, here FD first, roll number, course ID, determine email. That is in BCNF. Because here roll number, course ID is the key, my dear. Second FD, email to course number, email to roll number. What you can say, it is in 3NF but not in BCNF. Why? Because you can see here directly I can write, email is not super key. But roll number, this is the roll number, my dear, but roll number is key, or you can say prime attribute. की और प्राइम एट्रीब्यूट. सर नाउ की या प्राइम एट्रीब्यूट क्या होते हैं सर? वो एट्रीब्यूट जो किसी भी कैंडिडेट की में प्रेजेंट हो. सो हियर रोल नंबर इज द की एट्रीब्यूट. सो व्हाट वी कैन से इट इज इन 3NF. सो in 3NF but not in BCNF. So what we conclude about the schema second? For a schema second, we can say it is in 3NF but not in BCNF. My dear. Now check for schema third. My dear. Here it is mentioned roll number and course ID, marks say grade. Okay. This FD first. Okay. Second FD, my dear. Second FD, marks say grade. What is happening? I am doing here in a schema third. What is happening? Marks to grade. Here what is the case? Here neither X is super key nor X means what? Here you can conclude in this form. X determine Y, or nor Y is prime attribute. Because this FD, okay, this FD fail for 3NF also. So not in 3NF. So what we conclude about the schema third? Schema third is in 2NF but not in 3NF, my dear. Schema third is in 2NF because no partial dependency. This is in BCNF also, na, and this fail in 3NF condition also. So what we can conclude, schema's third is in 2NF but not in BCNF. Now we will discuss about the schema 4, my dear. Now we will discuss about the schema 4. So what we can say about the schema 4? Schema 4, there are two FDs, roll number, course ID to credit, and second one is course ID to credit. So in a schema 4, you can see course ID to credit. It's a partial dependency, my dear. It's a partial dependency. Why? Because proper subset of candidate key to non key attribute. Proper subset of candidate key to non key attribute. This is what? Non key attribute or non prime attribute, my dear. Non key attribute, and this is what, my dear? Proper subset of candidate key. Proper subset of candidate key to non key attribute. So what we can say? Not in 2NF. So we can conclude for a schema 4, schema 4 is in 1NF but not in 2NF. बच्चों मैं बड़ा पेशेंसली, बड़ा धैर्य से आपको एक एक चीज, एक एक कॉन्सेप्ट एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूं. ये हो सकता है वीडियो भी लंबा जाए, बट यू विल गेट ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट कि व्हाई इट इज इन दिस, व्हाई इट इज हैपन, व्हाई इट इज नॉट हैपन, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग आई एम टेकिंग. सो हियर you can see what is asking. Schema first is in BCNF, you can say. Schema second in 3NF but not in BCNF. Schema third in 2NF but not in 3NF. Schema 4 in 1NF but not in 2NF. It is asking 3NF but not in BCNF. So what is the correct answer? Schema second is the correct answer, which is in 3NF but not in BCNF, my dear. So B is the correct answer for this question. Hope so you get it, everyone.